Hi everybody! In this video, we'll walk through how to change your Yahoo Mail back to the basic or classic view. If you find the newer layout too modern or just prefer the simpler, older version, this guide will help you switch it back step by step. First, open your internet browser and go to the Yahoo Mail website. Type mail.yahoo.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, sign into your Yahoo account using your username and password. After signing in, you'll land on your inbox. Now, look closely at the upper right corner of the screen. You will see 3 dots lined up either vertically or horizontally depending on your screen size and browser. These 3 dots represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots. When you click on them, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will open the Settings panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Inside the Settings panel, look for the section called Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up the options related to how your Yahoo Mail looks. Here, Yahoo gives you choices about the layout, theme, spacing, and more. Now, under the Appearance section, you should see an option that says Switch to Basic Mail. This is the version of Yahoo Mail that looks more like the classic view. Click on Switch to Basic Mail. Once you do that, Yahoo Mail will refresh. After a few seconds, the page will reload and you will see a much simpler and more familiar layout. This version removes some of the modern design features and gives you a basic layout that is easier to navigate, especially if you're used to the old Yahoo Mail interface. That's it. You have now successfully switched your Yahoo Mail to basic or classic view. From here, you can continue checking your inbox, reading emails, and sending messages just like before, but with a simpler look. Keep in mind that Yahoo sometimes updates its interface, so the names of the menus or their exact location may change slightly in the future. But for now, the method is simple. Go to Yahoo Mail, click on the 3 dots, select Settings, go to Appearance, and then choose Switch to Basic Mail. If you don't see the option to switch, try updating your browser or using a different one. In some cases, the basic view might not be available on all devices or in all regions. That wraps up this tutorial on how to switch Yahoo Mail back to the classic view. Follow these simple steps anytime you want a cleaner and more straightforward email experience.